Tired of retyping department names and making mistakes in Excel? With a drop-down list, you can just click and choose. Fast, error-free, and professional. In this video, I'll show you how to set it up in minutes. Let's get started. Here's our employee data set. We have 20 employees with details like ID, name, department, salary, and joining date. Right now, the department column is open for manual entry, which can cause errors like mistyped department names. We want to create a drop-down for the department column. Select cells from C2 to C21, where department names will be entered. Now, go to the Data tab. And in the Data Tools group, click Data Validation. In the Data Validation dialog box, under Allow, choose List. This tells Excel that only values from a predefined list are allowed. Next, in the source box, select the department list. I've already listed departments in column G, HR, Finance, IT, Marketing, Sales, and Support. So, I'll select that range. Finally, click OK. And now you'll see a drop-down arrow in each cell from C2 to C21. Instead of typing, you can quickly pick a department from the list error-free and fast. If you plan to use this drop-down in multiple sheets, don't just select the cells directly. Instead, create a named range. This makes your drop-down easier to manage and reusable. And that's it. You've built a professional drop-down list in Excel. If this helped, hit like, share, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more smart Excel tips. See you next time.